Man, things they happen, really. But I want to ask one sincere question. How often are you going to be disclosed to a particular realm before you understand that the country is not for you? In Imo State, there are a lot of riots going on because of the Bubago killing. And those who are in Bubago are actually Fulani people. The fear is that what we are seeing now may grow worse. A time will come where there is no more justice. What will you do? And it's an honest question. We applaud every country that have involved themselves in making sure that they handled Mazen Nnamdi case properly. Yes. To make sure they handle Kanu's case properly. It's not everybody that will do that. That is why we are urging every supporter to put their hands together to make sure that there is a bigger picture in this struggle. Makana, onye jiwane ade alalola. We're going to do everything possible to secure his release, but stay away from crime. That's it. You know, formerly, Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, a man with dignity, a man with honor, was feared man. You know, a funny thing has been happening recently where Nnamdi Kanu did not even post that he was going to Kenya. The Nigeria government tracked him down. Whereas these bandits always post where they torture this thing. They post it, and anytime you make a post on Facebook, Twitter, your location can be tracked. If you don't know that, you know that. Your location can be tracked any given time. So some of you who hide your face to commit atrocities, your location can be tracked. But the government will say they don't know where they are. Whereas they took private jet, they had to fly with. Do you know how much to raise a private jet from an airport to another country? And UN blamed them, blamed Kenya for their participation in kidnapping Mazen Nnamdi. And other countries, the Western countries, international bodies have equally applauded the United Nations and Israel for their maximum effort. We have come a long way. And you see, you can't continue to play with a people who have been hurt so much. You can't continue to play with the people who have seen a lot of things, who have lost their brothers in a quest for this very freedom. And yes, they're holding Nnamdi Kanu. They don't want to release him. And when they release him, they will still come after him just like the way they did